we'll see the RGB on the motherboard. You guys ready? Guys, hey, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we're building a really awesome system. Take a peek at it. Let me know what you think. If you like what you see, make sure to hit that like button. If you like what you see even more, hit that sub button. And we'll see you every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday over at twitch.tv/Stince, where we build these PCs you see right here live at 10 a.m. Eastern, Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays at twitch.tv/Stince. See you soon. Boom. Oh, we here, chat. We here. We got Mike's system up here, right behind us. Boom, right there. Customer service, this is Stince speaking. How can I help you today? Oh, you would like a 3070. Oh, you would like a 3080. So much up here. Holy cow. All right, start pulling stuff down. Actually, we're gonna go over the build again so you guys can see it. You can't even see me. Schmo stacked this yesterday. I feel like he didn't want me to be seen. Like, Stince, you can't be seen in this build. All right, so we're gonna go over the specs right now. Obviously, we're using the i7 10700K, fantastic CPU. It's pretty much an i9900K on steroids. We're using the Zoomflow Snow Aura CPU cooler. It's a 360mm AIO. We're gonna power all the fans in the system with the Enermax Squaw. Beautiful, beautiful fans. I have them in my own system here and at home. I love the fans. We're using the Asus Prime Z490A. Beautiful white motherboard. We're going to be using a 1TB Western Digital SN550. That's going to be our primary hard drive. We have a 2TB Seagate SATA drive as well for more storage. We're using a TD500 mesh. Probably my favorite case right now. Honestly, guys, it is so hard to beat for the price. I don't know that the case I really like just as much would be the P360A from Fantex. We've got some white braided cables from LinkUp. We've got a 850 watt. We actually upgraded him. We didn't actually charge him for this, but we upgraded him to an 850 watt because we're running the 3080. The Thermaltake Grand GF1 fully modular gold power supply. It's got the Japanese capacitor, 10-year warranty. Love them, love them, love them. We got a PCI Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth adapter that we're going to be putting in here as well. And then obviously we've got the beautiful, beautiful Asus TUF 3080 that we're putting in the system. So we got a beauty, chat. I'm sweating. It is hot in here. Hot in here, chat. All right, we're gonna start getting everything built. So love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Harlem, good morning. Harlem coming with that 2-month sub. Thank you so much, Harlem. Thank you so much, guys. I'm excited. I haven't showed them to you yet, but we have the new overlays coming really, really soon. The guys over at BlackRock are killing it right now with our new overlays. Wait till you guys see what they're doing. Boom Roasted. I think I got a preview of it. I think Boom I sent it to you. Travisteez got a preview of it. They look so good, guys. Can't wait to show you. All right, so right now we're gonna install the M.2 NVMe. We're using the Western Digital SN550. Like I told you before, I love this one right here. The Crucial P2 and the SN550 probably are the two best bang for buck NVMe drives on the market in terms of longevity, quality, manufacturing quality and standards. I really, really like these. They're really, really good. The SN750 Black is probably my favorite hard drive that no one ever uses. But the Samsungs are really good. If you want looking for a really good all-around drive, these SN550 Blues are phenomenal. Phenomenal. Thank you for being here. Each and every one of you. Coming in here, saying hello. Look at the cool merch that we have here. Or stincegirl.com/merch. Go check it out. Go take a peek. Go buy one. Go buy an awesome shirt. Support a great content creator like me. A PC builder. You know? Go buy it. Now we're putting on our standoff for our AIO. So it uses pretty much a standard screw, goes to the back, and it's got a little like soft washer so it doesn't damage the motherboard. And it's got a nut kind of goes onto the screw for part of the standoff. All right, so these standoffs are all installed. We're gonna put the RAM in now. I originally quoted Mike 468 with this cooler, everything going on. We got him the 2.6 of 16. It's a little bit better in this system here. Got an 5600X today. Let's go. Wait, what RAM do I would recommend getting 3600 megahertz CL16 RAM if you can while you're there. And getting might as well get 32 gigs of it. So you don't have to upgrade down the line. We're gonna take out the case fans first, because we're not utilizing any of these front fans. We're actually upgrading to the EnerMax Squaw. So, we'll check these out. All right, so chat. So on this one right here, we have to take out all these beautiful white RGB fans. These front fans are actually really, really nice. Like that Cooler Master gives you. They're a static 1200 RPM fan, but they're actually really nice. We can do a close up. We can get a close up can for free. It's really nice. Those front fans actually are really, really good. So we're actually going to take these off. Because we're using EnerMax Squaw fans. All right, now we're gonna get the motherboard put in. We'll go to your top-down version so you guys can see it. Gonna hydrate. This motherboard looks so clean in here too. Wait till you see it. We see this up here once we get it all dialed in. Some of the up here fans are actually really good quality. They don't get the quality they deserve, or the recognition they deserve. And some of the up here is actually, I think, the Easy DIY and the up here fans are probably some of the best. Age of Horse makes some decent fans. They don't last nearly as long as I would like, but they're good as well. There's a lot of these, some of the cheaper fans are just really just knockoffs of like an Antec or a Cooler Master. So, all right, time to put it in the cooler. And these EnerMax fans, what do you see? How beautiful white? They're the exact same white as the case. They're just, the RGB is just beautiful. Wait till you see these. Wait till you see it. Dude, look at these fans. Oh, look at these. OnlyFans. They're gorgeous. Those are gorgeous fans. Wait till you see these lit up. They're, Oh, we're still putting a SATA drive in. It was requested. Still doing it. For mass storage. I like these for mass storage. I mean, you can't go wrong with a SATA drive for like stuff you're not going to be using them very much. Just have a good Seagate drive in there. I think I do like Seagate drives a lot for storage. So throw it in there. I like these. These are actually quick cages too. They're really nice. Just throw a SATA drive in and plug it in. Flips right in. We're good to go. Yeah, if you've ever thought you wanted a white case, wait till you see this one done. This thing is literally, it's gorgeous. The RAM, the cooler, the fans with it, it all blends so like beautifully. The brand of RG fans you recommend? There's so many, man. It depends on what you're looking for. There's so many different styles now. A lot of these Chinese companies are making these really crazy ones on like Amazon and Newegg that are just nuts. It comes down to the style you want. These Squaw fans, if you like the white, these are probably my favorite white fans outside of Corsair's QLs. These are probably the best quality for price. GIM makes really nice cheaper fans. All right, right now we're gonna grab all our cables from our modular power supply and what we need. So we're gonna pop out this big old bag of modular cables from Thermaltake. Like I said, in this one we're using the Thermaltake Grand. It is one of my favorite power supplies right now. It's phenomenal. It's got a 10-year warranty. Japanese capacitors. It's got a really good quiet operational fan, so the power supply is not overloading and humming. while you're playing. It's also got a 0 fan, so you can turn it off and you can actually make it even quieter when your system's not on a full load. So I really like it. And these squaw fans are really quiet too. So Mike's actually gonna have a really quiet PC. All right, so don't need this. We already got our SATA. We only need one SATA. SATA's gonna power the hard drive. It's also gonna power the pump. We've got CPU. We'll need our CPU 8-pin, a 4x4 8-pin. The CPU. Grab that. Plug that in here. We need our motherboard. 24-pin motherboard can power. Yeah, the 850. This 850 is plenty for most, unless you're going 3090. The 850 is a perfect power supply, I think, for any 3080s, any AMD Intel builds right now. It's just a really good power supply. We got our power supply in. We got our 24-pin in, and they're flat modular cables too, so they're really easy to handle. You know what I mean? So I just wish that some of these case manufacturers would do what NZXT does, and just make the front pin like literally just one plug. Because I have to put all these different separate pins in. It's just probably the most annoying thing. All right, so we got most of the wires down in the back right here. I have to put the fans in, the rest of the fans, a couple zip ties, and run all the RGB cables. I'm gonna put the graphics card in. Before that, we're gonna put in the Wi-Fi card. So Mike said, he's like, I need Wi-Fi. I wish I would have put the M.2 Wi-Fi, but we are gonna use a PCIe Wi-Fi card from OKN. These are available on Newegg, they're available on Newegg Business, and they're available on Amazon. They're actually really good PCIe cards with huge high gain antennas. Look at the size of these honkers. Look at the size of these things. These are antennas. Look at the size of these things. They're huge, like chopsticks. Ricky body, this thing is gorgeous. Yeah, wait till you see it all lit up. These Enermax fans. I want to kiss them. I have these same fans in my system over here. These same fans in my system at home. I love them. They're so good. So good. It's gonna be clean. Like it's not like over the top RGB. It's just really clean because it's more like lines than it is just like bright fans. So you'll see. You're like, oh, I like that. Token, you're gonna love it. Probably like 90% done right now, chat. So give me a couple seconds. We're gonna run all the fans down here. We're gonna get out this beautiful card. I said Mike wanted a 3080. I said, Mike, if you can wait an extra week, I got a 3080 TUF with your name on it. It'll just go so good with your system. He goes, all right, Jeff, I'm down. Wherever you think it's best. I said, well, I think this TUF is best for you. So, because Mike originally bought a 3070, this 10700K, and a 3070. And he's like, can I get a 3080? I said, Mike, we can get you a 3080. And I originally was going to put the Gaming X in here, and I said, oh, wait. I just got a 3080 TUF order. I'm like, this TUF will look better in your system with all the specs being all Asus. I said, let's get you the TUF. We got on the TUF, and whoo, beauty. Look at the thickness of that card, chat. You see that? Thick. RTX thick. The above cam. Look how thick that thing is. Thick boy. Yeah, get the thick emotes in chat. Is there even room for that chonker in there? There's room. There's room. Thick. All right, we're gonna run our braided cables. Got them all set up, ready to go. Gonna drop them down in here. One braided cable. Two braided cable. I didn't do it, chat. Oh my god. 3 braided cables. Oh, chat, I did it. I had to. There's both the braided cables in the back. We're gonna tuck in all our wires. Then we're gonna put the rear seat case back on. Running all our wires back here. A lot of wires. We did pretty good on this one. Gonna put our shroud on. All right, chat. We're gonna get ready to boot this bad boy up. Anything right about there? Is that the view you guys want? Right about? I think chat right about here. All right, guys, we're gonna get the light on. Turn the lights off. Got a spotlight on this bad boy so you can see it. Beauty, there it is. Certified beauty. Certified beauty. We'll see the RGB on the motherboard. You guys ready? Ooh, 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 ooh. I turn the light down so you can see the glory of this PC. These RGB fans are money. Money. Those fans are money. Money. Boy, and turn them lights down low. There you go. That turned it down a little bit. Is that better, Chat? You want a little bit lower than that? I told you it was really clean. Everything accents really well. The strip and the fan. The strip over here in the fan looks really good on the back of the motherboard. Just the RGB. It's beautiful. Beautiful. The fans. The fans are the Enermax Squa. SQUA. They are beautiful. I have them on mine. They look so good. So clean. Guys, thanks for another awesome video. Thank you for stopping in and showing us some love here on our YouTube channel. If you like what you see, make sure to hit that like button. If you like what you see even more, hit that sub button. And remember, we build these PCs you see live here on our YouTube every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday now over at twitch.tv/Stince. Come over, say hello, watch us build the PC, and ask any questions you have, and let's go.